Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am taking Z transform. So this is the third video on Z transform. So over here I have taken two formulas which you have to remember. This is the standard expansion formula. So when you have 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial or something which has a factorial in the denominator, then your formula will be e raised to x. And when you have only common number, if you don't have the factorial, then you have the formula as minus log 1 minus x. Now this is the standard expansion formulas which you have to remember. So write it down on a piece of paper so that you may remember. So over here I have taken one question for a better understanding of these formulas, that how to use these formulas. So over here f of k is 1 upon k, where k is greater than equal to 1, that is k will be from 1 to infinity. So first we'll write the standard format of f of z. So f of z is equal to summation of k is equal to minus infinity to infinity, where we have f of k into z raised to minus k. This is the standard format. Now in place of f of k we will put this value. So summation of, over here it is greater than equal to 1 is up from 1 to infinity, that is k is equal to, in place of f of k we will write 1 upon k into z raised to minus k. So now over here this k we can take it outside. So summation of k is equal to 1 to infinity, it is z inverse, outside we have a k upon k. Now this is the standard format. Now we will put the value of k from 1 to infinity, that is we'll put 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Z inverse upon 1, in the place of k again we'll put 1, plus z inverse 2 upon 2 plus z inverse raised to 3 upon 3, so on. So this is the format. Now if you see our formulas, then this one is matching. This is x, ones are is, it is 1. So then x square upon 2, x cube upon 3. So over here this entire term is our x, so x square upon 2, x square upon 3 and so on. So over here we will put this formula, that is minus log 1 minus x. So is equal to minus log 1 minus x, and over here our x is z minus 1, so we'll put z raised to minus 1. So z inverse we can write it as minus log 1 minus z 1 upon z. So now over here we can cross multiply this, minus log z minus 1 upon z. This is a final f of z. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, I am taking some more examples on standard expansion formulas. So stay tuned. Thank you.